Welcome to Deel. We are happy to have you on board. In this video, we are going to take you through some key information that is specific to your onboarding as a New Zealand employee. We will be covering the following important points: KS2 KiwiSaver form, KS10 private health benefit. KS2 KiwiSaver form. You have to upload the KS2 form so Deel can begin making KiwiSaver deductions for you. If you're not already a KiwiSaver member, you will be automatically enrolled into this benefit from the first payment of your salary. KS10. You have the option to complete the opt out of KiwiSaver pension fund by completing KiwiSaver opt out KS10 form and uploading it on the Deel platform. Even if the employee opts out of the contribution, Deel will still be required to make the contributions towards the employee's pension. Private health benefit. In New Zealand, client can select from the two health insurance providers, Unisure and Alliance. Unisure. Unisure is an allowance-based global health insurance. This means that employers pay an allowance that employees use to fund their premiums. Employees are responsible for paying any difference in the premium. You have to complete your enrollment through the form on Deel platform on the benefits section. A friendly reminder to ensure you complete your enrollment until you have the confirm that your health benefit is activated. You can opt out of this health benefit if you wish to. Alliance. We are partnering with Engage Insurance Brokers to offer an international health insurance benefit package for our employees globally through Alliance. You have 30 days from your start date to complete your enrollment on ThankSpend, which includes adding your dependents to your offered plan. If you did not complete the enrollment or opt out of the benefit, you will be automatically enrolled into the benefit. Please make sure to review the details available in the benefits section of the Deel platform or refer to the employee FAQ for any additional information. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about Deel. We hope this information was helpful to you and your onboarding journey.